Myntri Rangbah ka jala konrat ke sangmah negasngi ulalait ban Plie ka Ophis Treikam Jong Meghalaya State Education Commission ha embos Ophis kabadon halo wala chumer Shillong harangkat ka jinga don lang Myntri katanat education rakam sangma nalor ki dekhot ka commission habakran hakani kasngi Myntri Rangbah ulaong ba ka jingwan ra ka commission kalong da ka thong ban wan ra jingkala hakapule puthi
Chalo. Sudah?
And also to felicitate the advisor of the State Education Commission.
Principals, academicians, the officers, and an individual that we have to do. Former UPSC chairperson, one of the tall leader, one of the experienced of the state and products. They identified and got one of the strong supporting pillar for the department and for the government. We are looking forward to your experience contribution.
Any government should be really focusing on. But in terms of the financial impact, we see a huge impact in what's happening in the power department. And I hope that we will see. I can tell you there are few departments. I would put power at number 1 as one of the biggest headaches. And health sector is number 3. And the reasons are, of course, multiple. I don't want to go details. But, of course, from a point of view of importance, maybe education and health are the most crucial for us.
As you're aware that the cabinet had decided for the formation of the Education Commission, and the main purpose was really to look into the entire overall restructuring and reformation of the education sector as a whole. And there are many challenges and there are many stakeholders involved in it. And hence a commission would be able to do justice by being able to get into the nitty-gritties of the challenges that are faced in the education sector and be able to take concerns of all the stakeholders and come out with positive suggestions, practical suggestions, balanced suggestions on how we could really do a phase-wise manner or transition-based manner of transformation of the education sector. So that's really what the purpose is, and the commission has been formed, and I'm very happy that today the first meeting of the commission was formally held and was inaugurated in one way, and just after the inaugural meeting they will be sitting for the first official meeting, and I'm sure that with the kind of leadership that is there in the commission, the kind of members that are there who have got huge experience and knowledge about the education sector, I'm sure that we'll be able to come out with positive suggestions, and hopefully we'll be able to see, as I said, a transition into a much more healthier and stronger education sector in our state.
What is the immediate task and task to them, sir?
So there are many areas. There are areas of ensuring overall quality of education improves. The issues concerning teachers are there. The issues concerning the rationalization of teachers and schools. Then obviously looking at the quality factor, the overall aspects of how technology can be implemented. And so it's a very wide scope of reference, and therefore it incorporates almost every aspect of education.